little while, but we're back and we're making orange glow juice. So first we're gonna add our carrots, and then we're also gonna add some turmeric root. Now turmeric root can be difficult to find, but I was able to find this particular brand in Wegmans. But if you can't find the physical root, you can always get the powder. We're also going to be adding some ginger root, and we're going to add an orange. And just to make the orange go smoother throughout the juicer, we're going to go ahead and cut that orange in half. We're going to add a lemon, and just like the orange, we're going to cut the lemon in half too. We're going to add some black pepper, or you can use cayenne pepper, and the pepper just helps the juice absorb through your bloodstream faster. So this orange glow juice is amazing for skin. It has amazing skin health properties in it. The vitamin C coming from the oranges and the lemon, that's going to help brighten your skin, and as well as the properties and the beta carotene that's in the carrots. Also the root, the ginger root and the turmeric root, those are going to be great for digestion, and those are also going to be good for weight loss. And black pepper and cayenne pepper also boost weight loss as well. So definitely try this drink for overall skin health and body health. So we're going to go ahead and add these fruits and vegetables into the juicer. And most juicers are the same, but they can be different as well. But each juicer is going to have a place where you insert your fruit, where the juice comes out, and then where the pulp comes out at the back. So the benefits of using a juicer and juicing your fruits and vegetables, and of course you always want to wash them before you juice them, is going to help reduce the risk of cancer. It's going to boost your immune system, and of course it's going to remove those toxins from your body, as we were kind of explaining earlier with digestion and weight loss. And you want to make sure that you clean your juicer properly with hot soap and water, because you don't want any bacteria to linger for the next time you make juice. So now we're going to go ahead and add our additives. So if you want, you can add sugar. I didn't add any sugar, but some sugar substitutes that you can use are agave, honey, dates, monk fruit, and stevia. And you can add some water as well to help your juice spread. I use spring water, and this is the spring water that I use, but you could also use coconut water. I like this water because it comes in a glass bottle, and even though most plastic bottles are BPA free now, sometimes it can still emit some toxins through the plastic. So glass bottles are always great if you can use them. So what to do with the pulp? The pulp. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. I know it looks kind of dirty, but this is the good stuff. We don't want to just throw it away. We want to save it because we can use it for later. So I've seen some people put these in like ice cubes. In ice trays and make ice cubes out of them. I don't have any ice trays, but I have a plastic container, so use what you have. So we're going to store this in the freezer, and you can add it to your smoothies, you can add it to your tea, you can even add it to a soup if you're making like a homemade soup, and you just want to put a lid on it and place it in the freezer. So now that that is in the freezer, we can go ahead and pour our juice into our bottle. So same with storing the juice, you want to store it in a bottle or a container that has a lid on it, or maybe like a mason jar, because we don't want any bacteria to form. And you also want to make sure that you consume it within a week, because you don't want your juice to spoil. But I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys. Let me know what you think about it. I'm going to be drinking a shot of this every day, but don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.